Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks Garage. So I got some oldie but goodie, I will say, hose clamps here. And anytime I can get my hands on these, I keep them and I reuse the decent ones. But they're always a little bit out of shape and messed up. And these are super expensive to get even decent ones that probably aren't as good as these older ones here. And I thought I'd kind of show you what I do to start out with. I kind of did this a little bit, so this is actually more round than it was. And then I thought, you know, this is a pretty good tip. But I found a socket right here that's pretty close to the size of that. And I can take that and tighten that on the socket. Now you gotta be careful because, you know, you can still bend these ones, but these ones will take a little bit more oomph than the ones you get nowadays. And that, once you do that, straightens those out pretty good. And mainly, it's this inner piece here. That always ends up getting bent down for some reason, it seems like, whenever I find or take something off of something. And so that kind of does that. I have another one here. Turned out that the back end of this 1/2 inch extension is a pretty good size for that one. So had to find the right socket, but once I find that, I can take that and just kind of put that around that as well and give her a good crank. See, I mean, I'm reefing on that way more than I would anything I'd buy these days. And we got that off of there. So just a little tip and trick there. Yet again, it's up to you if you want to reuse things, but I'm definitely into recycling things that I can, and especially things that you cannot get anymore that are halfway decent. Well, get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.